Hi guys, how are you? And in the last class, I forgot to tell you about the iframes, and I forgot to tell you about the video frames. So video tags is not required, and for now, and just I will tell you what is the purpose of iframes. Look at here. So this is a code which I have discussed with you in the last class. To what is the purpose of header section, what is the purpose of main, and what is the purpose of footer section, everything. So look at here. Here I would like to tell you about the iframes. Let's say that if you go to any website in this one, go to any website. This is our last website which we have designed. So let's say that if I go to Amazon, if I go to Amazon website, so you could see that instead of the Amazon website, you could see that some of the ads are playing at this side, at this side, at this side, this side sometimes. So let's say that you could see that some video is watching here, some video is playing over there. So along with the products, some video is playing which is not relatable to Amazon website. So if you want to display such kind of videos in your website, then you have to use that iframe tags. So iframe tags is nothing but this is a structure. This is a structure. This is iframe tag structure which we maintain at all time. Okay, so you know that how to give height and how to give width attributes and how to give pixel and everything, right? So this is a title. In case of that such kind of values, it will display that title. And I'll copy this iframe tag directly from here, and I have collected it from my random website. I'll go to this one. So I would like to display that iframe website. I would like to display with the help of iframe tag. I would like to display some YouTube video. So look at here. I will display that one here, and here I will close that tag. Okay, so from that you get to know here one YouTube link is got created. So let's say that this is a entire structure of iframe tag. So you have a height attribute, you have a width attribute, you have a iframe attribute and everything. So I'm saving this program. I will go to the live server. You can see that some picture, some designed box is got created, but the video is not playing. So because of this link is not working right now here. So we'll import some random link from a YouTube channel. I'll go to this Chrome. I'll go to this channel and I'll say that just look at here. So this is a video. Some random video is playing at my YouTube. How to get a job in Google and my preparation resource. Some videos playing in my YouTube channel. So look at here. I'll just click on a share button. You can see here different kind of options and just see here embed option. Just click on this, and after clicking on this you can see here different kind of code, some random code which is related to iframe tag. Just copy that code and go back to your iframe and just replace that iframe with the help of that iframe with that iframe replace over there. So you can see that this is a link got title. So I will resize it. I'll precise it. I'll reduce it in a single line. So you can see that. So iframe is started here and iframe is ended here. So no need to study about this iframe and everything and all. So you want to study if you want to display this YouTube channel, by default it is giving that embedded link of the iframe, and it will provide you that iframe link and iframe HTML tags also along with that. No need to study and just get to know what is the structure of iframe tag and just get to know how to increase the weight, how to increase the height of that weight, and just get to know some attributes. And here we just need to aware about this width and height and source. Source is nothing but here you just to provide that YouTube link or the of that YouTube channel, and just save this and I'll go back to my live server. You can see here that same video is getting displayed over here. So as we seen in the Amazon website, some video is displaying over at my side. So in your website also you can display your YouTube or some random channel which you want to do a marketing, and you can display that kind of video over in your website in random cases. Okay, so suppose let's say that if you want to decrease the size of this frame, so you can decrease as that well. Go back to your Visual Studio and decrease that size like height, like just decrease that size from 350 to 250, and just decrease this width from 560 to 450, and just save this and go back to your live server, and you can see that this video of my YouTube clip got reduced according to my width, according to my height also. So you can see the difference. You can modify accordingly. So yes, if I want to add some images in my website, you can add as well. So in my case, I'm adding my relative absolute path. So here I have added my WhatsApp, something, my random image in my case. So look at here. Providing that after providing my iframe, I would like to add some image. So by using, if you want to add some image, just you have to provide there image link, image href, image src, and inside that, yeah, I'm providing that my local mission path to that src. And in such cases, if that image got failed, I will say that my image, or I will say that AKKHI. This is my name, Akib image. I'll close this and I will display that image over my website. You can see that that image got displayed. That image got haven't displayed in such cases of failure. So let's say that why it is failed means, so we have provided the entire path. So it is my HTML document path. It is in my local path only. Just we have to provide that just we have to give that local same, it is located in the same folder. That is the reason we don't have to give entire path. So in such case of value, it is giving my name image. So if this got image success, it will display my image. At the footer section, you can see that 2025 website already. This is related to footer section. So if you want to reduce this image, you can reduce this image as well. So go back here and right here, width and height. Define that width and height to this. Define and width height to this image tag. And I'm writing here width. I'm writing here width, and I'm writing here 300 pixel, and also I'm defining the height of my image 400 pixel. Okay, and just go back to your live server. Just go back to your live server. You can see that this image got reduced from 300 to 400, and just go back and just say that you can see that this image got reduced. Got it? So come back and just try to reduce some image section part. I'm defining a 360. Let me reduce it sometime some more. So you can see that, so this video got displayed, and this image got displayed in my website. So as if you want any image, if you want to display, as if you want to display your own product in your website, you can display your own products and your own content using the div section and using the image section. You can display over in your website. Got it? And this is how the entire web application basic part will be created. So using CSS, you can design and you can do more wonders. So if you know the React JS, you can mostly we in our industry application purpose, we use the React JS. So just get to know React JS and bootstraps, which will be which you no need to put a lot of effort that much. No need to write a code from the scratch level. You can get to know all those things after learning HTML, CSS, after learning Bootstrap. You can get to know how to build some applications. So for the time being, if you want to add some colors, if you want to design something, you have to use CSS after this, definitely. And you must have a CSS and HTML knowledge on those. So let's imagine I'm playing this video, and you can play this video as well.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Na peru
And
Shruti
I'm
and
purposing
ee
it.
roju
So designed by your own self, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And this is a entire series of HTML, and this is a last series of HTML. And I haven't taught you that video tag, use of video tag. So that is not required. That is not much necessary. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And if I missed any concept which is important related to web application, you can ping me out and you can tell me in the comment section. And thank you for you all. And do subscribe. And thank you all.